Vanakkam friends, in this video today we are going to see the traditional dance of Tamil Nadu. This is a folk dance. It's called Poikal Kudai. A person is traveling on the horse. It is a false horse, you can say, so it's called Poikal Kudai. So it looks that he is actually traveling on the horse, but practically that fellow is the horse is traveling on him actually. So this particular horse is made by a special type of materials that we will see in the later part of this video. Now what we are seeing is, this is basically a music. That music always a traditional music. It's called Nayandi Melam and Nadaswaram. So that is the background music. It is going on, and the fellow who is just carrying the horse in his shoulder with the help of a rope, and that is covered with the shirt, so that's why it's not visible here. So that fellow is actually lifting, and he is just dancing with the in the legs. They put for making a sound, they just put one the sound making metal material. So it's a bells, we can say bell. So the bell sound will be continuously ringing. So this particular traditional folk dance of Tamil Nadu is mostly practiced in the festival season. When there is a festival, particularly in the villages, every local god has its own festival. So people used to dance this particular dance during that particular season period. So this particular video which you are watching is from a village called Mangamalpatti, that is near T. Kalpatti in Parayur district, Parayur Taluka, Madurai district of Tamil Nadu. So traditionally this particular horse is made with the help of bamboo sticks and waste material of waste paper and etc. This fellow is dancing. So usually when there is things, we used to have the pair of horses. So in one horse the male will travel, and another horse female, like Raja and Rani, and husband and wife. So such type of things are normal. Here I am dancing only alone as my Rani is not here. So this particular dance is very famous in Tamil Nadu particularly. Now what we are going to see is, this was done in the month of Panguni, that is in the month of March, when we celebrate Amman temple, that is Vadakkara Palliyamma temple. So this is the Nadaswaram. The sound is coming, and the Nayandi Melam. That sound itself will be dancing. Now let us come and see how these particular things are recorded, how it is made. So this is, I was explaining, this fully made up of the waste material of the papers. It was diluted, and it can be made with different aspects. This is the initial stage. The fellow, this is the fellow, he is making this particular reels for since 1966 or 64. So for more than 50-55 years he is making all the dolls, and these dolls can be put in on our head. So there will be two holes, so we can able to see visibility will be there, so we can put the dance. So he is telling that whenever he with out of his own interest he learned this particular type of making this type of toys, particularly for dancing purpose during the festival seasons in the villages. And he is also telling that whenever there is a need for painting of temples, some car, that is during the festival, every temple will have the car that is called Ter Radham. So that also he used to decorate and all those things. And his profession is all together different, but he has his loving nature of this particular earlier folk dance, and he is doing in this one in the village called Vannivelambatti near T Kallapatti. So he first make whatever structure he want, he make that particular structure, the face, with help of clay, that is mud. So after making that clay, then he mix all the waste material of papers, everything, and soaked it for 5-6 days, and he adds some glues and gums. Then after making all those things, he just put uniformly apply on the structure he has made with the help of clay. That is the soil. That is soil. So after a few days, it is getting dried and smooth touching is over. He scrapped that soil or the clay from the toys. So finally there will be a vacuum inside, so that easily fit into our head. So once it is fitting into the head, he will already have the what is called small holes in the eyes, so he can able to visibly doing those things like that. What he is telling, he learned everything is out of his own interest. He didn't learn from any teacher, but he also, when I asked can you teach to the fellow who is interested, he said yes, definitely I will teach to the fellows who is interested, because this is the very traditional and old system. It should pass on to the next generation, so that in the years to come people can also we can safeguard this old system, old folk dance things like. So nowadays in the modern computer science world, people are making many things, but these are our traditions where with the available materials, even waste materials, they make such type of beautiful folk dance materials. I wished him, and he also happily spent his time with us. You see the different faces he has made, and he made very attractive and nice faces, like old woman and old man, tiger, lion, even bull, black carts. So something very extraordinary. So for these toys, we have to again stitch a special type of materials, dress materials. So that also he used to do. So altogether, this particular thing is very, very interesting as well as very encouraging to see the things. So we will bless him for a success and things. He was telling that when we make this Paikal Kudrai, that is horse, it is fully made up of the bamboo strips, and after that one layer of cloth will be applied. Above the cloth he will be adding this waste material of the paper waste materials made with this, and he do very slow and steady finishing of it. Once it is finished very nicely, then he go for the painting and all. and finally it is ready for launching, and he sold this one. So approximately he is selling this horse for 7,000 rupees, 4,000 rupees, or sometimes he reduces the prices also. So this is what we can get the things from him. People must appreciate the effort he is making in this old age also, and the interest he is having on this and spending a lot of money on it. He is telling that he used to send these things to USA, Singapore, even other states like Maharashtra and all places. On order basis he makes and he is supplying to the peoples. So this it's really interesting to meet this fellow, and I took that horse from him only, and I also did one time, I also danced with this particular one, and let us one more time watch my dance. Come, thank you very much.